When most people think of Melaka, Malaysia, they picture the iconic Red Dutch Square, heritage buildings, and the busy streets packed with tourists. But today, we're doing things a little differently. Instead of following the usual itinerary, we're exploring a different side of Melaka, one filled with hidden cafes, local art, hands-on workshops, and some surprisingly unforgettable food. Let's get started. Our morning begins with a short walk to restaurant Baba Kaya, a cozy riverside cafe serving authentic Baba Nanya cuisine in a warm, nostalgic setting.
Mr. Ya, Miss Ya, Mrs. Ya, Ya.
For breakfast, we ordered their famous nasi lemak twin tower with ayam rendang along with the Baba Kaya signature toast. And wow, what a way to start the day. The ayam rendang is packed with flavor. It's rich, fragrant, and you can immediately tell they didn't hold back on the spice blend. Every bite is incredibly satisfying. But the biggest surprise has to be the Baba Kaya toast. They've taken the classic Kaya toast and elevated it with 3 different pandan Kaya dips, each with its own unique flavor. It's a fun twist on a traditional breakfast that's both familiar and creative. Enjoying delicious food while overlooking the peaceful Melaka River already feels like the perfect morning. But then something unexpected happened. We spotted a family of wild otters swimming and fishing in the river. And not long after, a monkey casually walked across the rooftop of the building opposite us. Definitely not something you see every day. After breakfast, we made our way towards Jonker Street for our next stop, the Orangutan House. You really can't miss it. The massive orangutan mural painted across the front instantly grabs your attention. Inside is a vibrant gallery created by local artist Charles Cham, showcasing colorful contemporary Malaysian artwork, unique prints, and quirky souvenirs that perfectly reflect Melaka's creative side. By this point, the weather was starting to heat up, so before continuing, we grabbed one of these ice-cold local soft drinks from a roadside stall. Simple. Refreshing. Exactly what we needed. Feeling recharged, we headed over to the Royal Press. This place is honestly one of Malacca's hidden gems. It's part heritage cafe, part museum, housed inside a beautifully restored traditional printing shop. The antique letterpress machines and vintage equipment immediately transport you back in time. But the highlight here is definitely the letterpress workshop. For only around 10 ringgit, you get to create your own printed keepsake using the original press. Getting hands-on with history like this was such a fun experience and something completely different from the usual sightseeing. If you're looking for a unique activity in Malacca, this is definitely worth adding to your itinerary.
The design will go forward. And like that. So after you finish, you can put back
After all that exploring, it was time for dessert. We stopped by the curious Baker Gelato, located inside the Daily Fix Cafe. Of course, we couldn't just order ordinary flavors. We went with apple crumble and the much more adventurous chocolate miso. The apple crumble was exactly what you'd expect, sweet, fruity, and comforting. But the chocolate miso completely caught us off guard. The richness of dark chocolate combined with the salty umami from the miso creates an unexpectedly perfect balance. It sounds unusual, but trust us, don't knock it until you've tried it. For lunch, we visited the Baboon House, one of Malacca's most well-known hidden gems. Tucked away inside a restored heritage house, this place feels like stepping into a secret jungle. Plants cover nearly every corner, while the rustic architecture blends beautifully with modern design. It's peaceful, cozy, and worlds away from the busy streets outside. They're famous for their homemade gourmet burgers, and it's easy to see why. The presentation is beautiful, the ingredients are fresh, and everything tastes just as good as it looks.
Ang ano? Sarap.
Yun lang makakailangan ko pa ng sagot.
The contrast between the lush jungle atmosphere and these carefully crafted burgers makes the whole experience even more memorable. Next, it was time to get a little creative. We headed over to the clay house for a pottery workshop. This beautiful creative space celebrates traditional ceramic craftsmanship while giving visitors the chance to try wheel throwing for themselves.
Then head. Round shape. This one. Make a ball first. A ball.
There's something incredibly calming about working with clay. Watching a simple lump slowly transform into a piece of pottery is surprisingly therapeutic. It was such a refreshing break from walking around the city all day. If you're planning to visit, be sure to reserve your workshop in advance because the sessions can fill up quickly.
Inis kasi ako pag hindi ako magaling agad. Mukhang sinapian itong hirap pala ng mga potterist.
Tapos mawawala yung sign. Yan.
Wala lang.
As the sun began to set, there was only one way to end the day: dinner at the legendary McQuek's Satay Celup. If you've never heard of Satay Celup before, imagine a hot pot, but instead of cooking in broth, you dip your skewers into a thick, bubbling peanut sauce. The sauce is rich, creamy, slightly sweet, slightly spicy, and packed with roasted peanut flavor. We loaded up on prawns, fish balls, meat, tofu, vegetables, pretty much anything we could find. Then one by one, we dipped every skewer into that incredible sauce. It's interactive, comforting, messy, and absolutely addictive. No wonder it's one of Malaka's signature dishes. And just like that, our alternative day exploring Malacca comes to an end. Today wasn't about checking off the typical tourist attractions. It was about discovering hidden cafes, supporting local artists, learning traditional crafts, trying unique food, and experiencing the creative side of this amazing city. Malacca is so much more than its famous landmarks, and hopefully today's adventure showed you a different perspective of what this city has to offer. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know down in the comments. Which food would you want to try first? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Stay tuned for part 2.